solve the following inequation and write down the solution set. 11x minus 4 is less than 15x plus 4, less than or equal to 13x plus 14. And we know x belongs to whole numbers, is our replacement set. You also need to represent the solution on the real number line. So this question had appeared in the ICSE 2019 examination, right? Now, again, when you have this kind of double inequation, double inequality inequation, we need to break them up into two parts. So the first part would be 11x minus 4 is less than 15x plus 4. That's our first part. And the second part will be, that's basically from this first inequality sign, right? And the second part that we're going to consider will be this second inequality rather. So from here to here, so which is 15x plus 4 less than or equal to 13x plus 14. All right. So let's start by solving our first part here. We have 11x minus 4 less than 15x plus 4. So let's just start by rearranging the terms first. Take the x terms together. So take the 11x on the other side and the plus 4 over here. So I have minus 4 is less than 15x plus 11x becomes minus 11x on the other side, right? So minus 4 makes it minus 8, less than 15x minus 11x will make it 4x, right? Now if I have a 4x here, take it to the other side, multiplication becomes division, so I get minus 8 upon 4, which is minus 2 less than x. Alright, that's it for the first inequation. Let's start solving the second one now. So here we know 15x plus 4 is less than or equal to 13x plus 14. So first let's rearrange, bring the x terms together. So bring the 13x to this side and the plus 4 to the other side. So what I get is 15x minus 13x is less than or equal to 14 minus 4, right? 15x minus 13x is 2x, which is less than or equal to 14 minus 4, which is 10. Right now, if I have a 2x on this side, 2 multiplication on the other side becomes division. So this basically becomes x upon 10 upon 2, which is 5. So x is less than or equal to 5. All right. Now we need to combine these two answers and then plot them on the real number line. Okay. So what we have is x is in between minus 2. Sorry. Let's see what we have now. Let's use the white color. Right? So what we have is minus 2 less than x less than or equal to 5, and we know that x belongs to whole numbers, or I can say whole numbers is my replacement set. Now remember, whole numbers start from 0, so I can write my, and so greater than minus 2. So your solution set now becomes solution, right, for this will be greater than minus 2, the whole number will be 0, and less than or equal to 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This here will be my solution to the inequation. Now this has to be plotted on the number line, so let's first draw our number line. Here it is. Let's move it up a little so that it's there. And remember, we need to plot only the whole numbers, so let's just mark the respective whole numbers that have to be marked. So we have 0, right here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's our solution set on the number line. So this is our final answer. Let's draw a rectangle on it as we usually do.